Welcome to the buck.
So right now here's just the rough, raw inside. It came, when Joe went and got it, it was actually sitting on a farm. So we're not sure what their plans were for it, other than Ethan had bought it from the original owner and was going to turn it into a camper. What we're calling the truck bed, he was going to use as his front porch. And bless his heart, he got the snap-in floor in that he was trying to get installed. And as you can see kind of right here, it's, I'm just going to get a better angle, it's buckling. Yeah. Well, it started to buckle, and it kind of does that all throughout. But, let me see if I can get you guys a better shot. These stairs are really steep and there's no handle. Okay. Back here, let's see if I can catch the light. Nope. The sun shifted on me. Anyway, down underneath the door, it's not sealed properly. And unfortunately, Ethan had parked it one time, and it was kind of at a downward angle towards the front, and water came in on him after he did the flooring. And so that was kind of discouraging as far as him wanting to keep it, because he wasn't quite sure how to get the door properly sealed. So he just started parking it at a different angle, and that stopped. But anyway, a lot of these pieces are parts of what was taken off. So this would have been at the very back of the bus, above the door for your emergency exit. These are not original seats. The only one that is, we're thinking, or we were told was original, is the one that Joe's sitting in. So these, and the what? And the horn works. Joe's pretty excited about the really loud horn. Sorry to all the neighbors. But the seats, he was really, really nice about giving us several seat options, because Joe would like to be able to have space for subcontractors to ride with him when he's going to job sites and stuff. So if that happens, we've got options. Of course, we'll clean them up and probably get some seat covers redone. But these two are actually in really good condition. We're not necessarily in love with the color, but they're in really nice condition. So these other ones, I'm not sure where they were being stored, but they've got like dirt on them and stuff, so they need to be cleaned up. And the rest of the stuff, we've got insulation from where he started doing the wall. We've got extra wood here, enough to do the other side if we wanted to. We won't be doing that, but anyway, he was nice enough to leave it in here for us as an option. We've got a handle option back there, which I probably could have used a minute ago getting up on this thing, but we probably won't be using that either unless we spray paint it for what we're wanting to do. But yeah, lights work. Everything seems to be working fine. It took Joe slightly over 7 hours to get it home, and bless his heart, about 2-ish in the morning, this windshield wiper decided to fall off. So they had actually put it on when Joe went to pick it up, and the guy didn't get it on there tight enough or something. But anyway, it fell off, and so luckily one of our awesome cousins was there to help guide Joe in, and he got home safe. So anyway, I know that it's rough and raw and a little hard to look at for those of us that like to look at pretty things, but for now, this is what it looks like. And we have huge plans, so it won't look like this for very much longer. One of the things that Joe and I thought was kind of fun is, I guess the original owner didn't, some of the stuff he didn't take out, and so this just unhooks here and here. There's some little knobs, but up inside here we found, what did you say these were, Joe? The triangle things? Okay, so yeah, hazard triangles for when you're pulled over, so that's nice to have that. And then this was kind of gross, but kind of interesting. This is in here from the original. We haven't opened it or anything, but anyway, we thought that was kind of cool. It was kind of tucked over here, back behind, further in there. And then here's another one of the original Thomas pieces. So it went above, Joe's saying it went, sorry, I'm not trying to make anybody dizzy. It went above, I guess, the emergency exit. So we want to try to keep a few of those original pieces. We like, you know, honoring the past. And since this old bus is a 1985, it's as old as I am. And so, of course, we want to appreciate her. She's got a lot of life left in her, hopefully. Haha. And then here's some fun pieces Joe found when he got on here today and got to kind of rummage around in some of the stuff that's in here. So it was nice to have those original pieces. And we will be putting them back where they go as soon as we're done with our job. So anyway, again, whole bunch of stuff. That back there is a power converter that the guy was going to use for his camper. So anyway, he just kind of left everything in here for us. These big black things are for these chairs to mount to, and then they have the seat belts on them. So that's kind of nice. We know everybody will be safe. These better seats actually, unfortunately, don't come with seat belts. So anyway, sorry for the rough run through, and probably my voice is a bit froggy. The weather getting kind of humid and changing on us so quick has kind of got to my throat. So anyway, anything you think you want to point out to him, Joe, that I might have forgot? Oh, you think? Yeah. Okay, cool. So Joe's thinking he can mount the seat belts from those big double seat pieces to. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So that's exciting. I know I see 1 and 2 there, so there's probably another one. Okay. Yeah, and the guy gave us 6 extra seats, so that was really cool. Anyway, so that's the buck. A couple of other fun details that our daughter's super excited about is it has a CB in it, so she's really excited because my Jeep, if any of you guys have seen the Jeep, it's got a CB in it too, so she's super excited about talking to Daddy. And we call her Codabug. She's been our Codabug. Her name's Coda Riley, but we've called her Codabug since she was born. And so she's told us that her CB handle will be Buggy. And so we haven't decided on what Daddy's handle is going to be yet, but that should be fun to find out. So anyway, say hi. And there's Buggy. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will continue to update you guys. Joe was waiting on me to catch this video real quick for you, and he plans to get to work today. So maybe another update tomorrow. Talk to you later. Everybody say bye.
Bye.